In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube API key, and we'll be doing this all in just under 5 minutes. Let's jump right in and walk through the steps together. First, open your browser and navigate to console.cloud.google.com. Once you're there, you'll want to click on Open Project if you already have projects, or you're brought directly to the Google Cloud platform. If you're starting fresh or want to organize a new initiative, go ahead and click on New Project. This option will allow you to start from scratch and maintain a clear workspace. When creating your new project, it's essential to give it a meaningful name, something you'll easily remember and identify later on. Take a moment to think of a relevant name, and once you've settled on it, click Create. This step officially sets up your project in the Google Cloud ecosystem. Next, look for the notification bell, which is usually in the upper right portion of your screen. Click on it to access and select Project. This ensures that you're working within the right project framework, especially if you handle multiple projects simultaneously. Double-check this step to avoid mistakes later. With your project selected, direct your attention to the left-hand corner of the screen. Click on the hamburger icon. It's the 3 horizontal lines at the top, and this will open up the main navigation menu. From here, find APIs and services and click on it. This is where you'll gain access to various tools and features, including the API libraries. Next, click on Library. Here, you'll see a range of different APIs you can integrate with. Search for YouTube Data API v3. Once it's visible, click on it to proceed to the next stage where you'll need to enable it. Hit the Enable button, and this will activate the YouTube Data API for your project. Now head over to the Credentials section from the same APIs and Services menu. It's time to set up the actual API key. Click Create Credentials and then choose API Key from the drop-down options. Follow this by clicking Create. As soon as you do this, a new API key will be generated, ready for you to use. Gently reminding, handle your API key with care. It's crucial to keep it secure and confidential to protect your project's integrity. Finally, copy this API key so you can now embed it into your YouTube-related projects where necessary. And that's it. You've successfully created a YouTube API key. You can now leverage your key to interact with YouTube's data and enhance your project significantly. Hopefully, this guide was helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to explore further resources or leave a comment below. Happy coding!